Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then locate and open Accounts and Backup and click on Backup Data under Google Drive. And here all you have to do is to turn on by tapping on this indicator. And that's it. As you can see, Backup by Google One is active. The account was uploaded. However, if you're not logged in with your account yet, you will have to provide both email or a phone number along with the password just to apply the account to this backup. And as you can see, backup would be done automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. But if you want to do it right now, just mark backup now and enter your PIN to confirm. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.